Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to record only your Google Chrome browser window using OBS Studio. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make professional-looking recordings of your Chrome activity, perfect for tutorials, presentations, or sharing walkthroughs with clients and teammates. Let's jump right in. First, we need to prep OBS Studio. Go ahead and open OBS Studio on your computer. If it's your first time, don't worry. OBS might look a bit intimidating because of all the buttons, but we'll take it step by step. In the Sources dock, which is usually at the bottom of OBS, you'll see a little plus sign. Click on that to add a new source. From the list that pops up, choose Window Capture. This is what allows OBS to record only a specific window, in this case Google Chrome, rather than your entire desktop. When you select Window Capture, you'll be asked to name your new source. I recommend something descriptive like Chrome Window so it's easy to identify later, especially if you ever want to record other apps. Once you've typed your name, click OK to move on. Next, you'll see the Properties window for your source. This is where we tell OBS which window to capture. Before you change anything here, make sure you actually have a Google Chrome window open. It won't appear in the list unless it's running. If you have multiple Chrome windows open, each one will show up separately. So choose the specific one you want to record from the Window drop-down menu. Now, about the capture method. By default, automatic works for most setups. But if you find your capture is blank or glitchy, switch over to Windows 10 mode, which can fix compatibility issues, especially on newer operating systems. If you plan to show mouse actions or want viewers to follow along easily, make sure Capture Cursor is checked. If you forget this, your mouse won't appear in the video, which can be frustrating for instructional content. Once you've set these options, click OK. OBS will now create a preview of your Chrome window within its main workspace. Take a look. This is what will be recorded. Sometimes the captured Chrome window isn't perfectly sized, so you might want to adjust. Simply click and drag the red borders to resize it. Here's a neat trick. If you only want a portion of the Chrome window, hold down the Alt key while dragging a border. This will crop the area so you can focus your recording only on what matters, like a specific tab or section of a web page. Let's talk audio for a second. Under the Audio Mixer section at the bottom, make sure your microphone and desktop audio levels are set correctly. If you're recording a voiceover along with your browser activity, test and adjust your mic level so it's clear but not too loud. If you want viewers to hear what's happening in Chrome, like a video or web page sound, ensure desktop audio is also on. It only takes a moment to check, but it makes all the difference for your final video. We're ready to capture. In the bottom right corner of OBS, hit Start Recording. OBS will begin recording just the Chrome window you selected, plus any audio you've configured. You can minimize OBS and carry on with your browser demo. Everything inside the defined window will be captured until you come back to OBS and click Stop Recording. That's it. You're set to make high-quality, focused recordings of Chrome, whether it's for tutorials or presentations. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please leave a like below and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any hiccups along the way. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.